We all love Korean fried chicken, but let's be real, the price has gotten steep. So what's the deal?
Yeah, this is way bigger than just dinner. It's become a huge national debate in South Korea.
Get this. With delivery, you're looking at nearly 30,000 won for just one order.
And it's not as simple as inflation. The real story is hidden in the system itself. Okay, so you'd think the raw chicken is the expensive part, right? Nope, it's actually pretty cheap.
So if the chicken's cheap, where is all that extra cost coming from? It all comes down to the business model, specifically the franchise structure. Basically, headquarters sells essential supplies to franchisees, often at a huge markup.
And wow, is it profitable. Just look at the profit margins for the headquarters. But that's just one side of it. What about the local owners actually running the shops? Their average annual operating profit? Only around 20 million won. That's not a lot. So you see the problem, right? Big profits for corporate, but very little for the shop owners. And to make things even worse, the whole market is just completely oversaturated. Just look at this. The number of competing brands has absolutely exploded in just a few years. Which means the number of actual stores has shot up to nearly 30,000. Competition is fierce. So with the market getting so crowded at home, the big brands are now looking overseas to grow. It's been called a competition with no winner. And you can kind of see why, right? It really makes you wonder. When a system hurts both customers and owners, who's it even for?